Good morning, everybody. This is Wednesday, April 6th. This is what you're going to be doing today on your Google form. It's not too bad, but make sure you watch this video because some of you are not watching the videos and getting them all incorrect. And on the reciprocal stuff, I got a lot of decimals. Reciprocals are just flipped fractions. And when we write a line that's perpendicular, we find the perpendicular slope. We don't use 1/3 because if we use 1/3, that line would be parallel. Perpendicular slopes have opposite reciprocals. So you take this number. If it was negative, you would use a positive. This is a positive 1/3, so you're going to use a negative. And then the reciprocal means you're going to flip that number that's in front of the x upside down. So instead of 1/3, we're going to use -3. Now it would be -3/1 if you just flipped it, but it should be simplified. Some of you guys, when you did the reciprocal form, you left this over 1, and that's why it counted it wrong. I didn't count it wrong. But just use a whole number. You should get all whole numbers today. And then you take that point from over there, and we're gonna use the point slope formula. So this is x1 and this is y1. And the point slope formula that we did last week was this. Okay? And so with the point slope formula, you fill in right there, right here, and right here. So make sure you put the right numbers in there because otherwise you'll definitely get the wrong answer. Y1 is the y point of that ordered pair. The slope is -3, so that goes right here. And remember, that was the opposite sign of this, and it was flipped. And then we have x -1. All right, so what you need to do right here is the distributive property over here. So this side doesn't change. But watch your signs here. This is a -3 times a positive x, which is a -3x. This is a -3 times a -1, which is a +3. And then the last and final step is just to add or subtract this number. Always do the opposite operation. So if this was a plus, then you would subtract, but it's a minus. -3 plus 3 cancels. So you get y equals -3x plus 6. And that's what you'll type in on your Google form. I don't want to see any fractions or decimals. I'm specifically giving you equations where you will always get whole numbers. So just take your time, watch this video again if you need to. Maybe take some notes and then do the Google form. I'm only gonna make you do 3 of these because they are a little time consuming and I don't want you spending too much time because some of you have a lot of makeup work to do. All right, I miss y'all. Take care and email me if you have questions. If you know of a friend that can't get to these videos, please let me know and I'll work out a different way to push this information out. Thanks a bunch, guys. See ya.